For today's interactive concept, we are using gummy bears, tap water, and a saltwater solution to demonstrate osmosis. Now, osmosis is the selective passage of the solvent molecules through a porous membrane from a more dilute solution to a more concentrated one by way of a semi-permeable membrane. This will be done by using hypotonic and hypertonic solutions. Hypotonic meaning the solution has a lower concentration of dissolved substances, and hypertonic meaning it has a higher concentration of dissolved substance. For this experiment, we needed to place one gummy bear in a cup of regular tap water and another gummy bear in another cup with a saturated saltwater solution. So before I left for work this morning, I did that, and my gummy bears sat in the solutions for about 9 hours. What I expected to see was that the gummy bear that I placed in tap water would grow, and that the gummy bear placed in the salt water would shrink. So I've gone ahead, I've pulled those out of the water, and I've kind of got them on a paper towel here. Hopefully I can get them up here for you to see. Let's see here. So first up, this is my gummy bear that was in regular water, right over here. So you can see that this one is pretty large. So right next to it, this is a gummy bear, just regular, not in any water. So yes, the one put in regular tap water did grow. Now, this gummy bear right here, this is the one that was in salt water. It may have shrunk a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell. They're about the same size as the one here in the middle. But the more I look at it, it may have shrunk just a little bit. So like I said, we can see that the one placed in tap water did grow significantly, while the gummy bear that was placed in salt water stayed about the same size, maybe shrunk a little bit. But I believe had I added more salt to that saltwater solution, that maybe it would have shrunk in size a little more. I thought I added a lot of salt, but maybe I could have added a little more and it still would have dissolved. But back to the topic of osmosis. In this experiment, the gummy bear, which is made of gelatin, acts as our semi-permeable membrane, while our water and our salt water are our solvent molecules. Tap water, which is our hypotonic solution, was able to pass through the gummy bear due to a low concentration of water inside the gummy bear, making the water move from a high concentration to a lower one. The gummy bear in salt water, which is our hypertonic solution, should shrink due to the salt water pulling out what little water is in the gelatin, making the water again move from the gummy bear out into the solvent, again from a higher concentration to a lower concentration.